Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I'm going to install this shower shroom together. So, gosh, this is a how-to YouTube channel, right? And so normally I try to do stuff on my own, but my shower was clogged and I don't know why. I didn't think I knew how to remove this. And the guy came and charged me $180, and he legit just like flipped this out and put some like acid Drano stuff in there and charged me 180 bucks. Absolutely insane. I don't want that to happen to you. So if you didn't know, get a flathead and take it off yourself and use one of those like sticks you can get at the Dollar Tree to unclog your hair from it. Anyways, since I didn't have the money, I wanted to show you this, and then I just went to the Walmart and picked this up, the shower shroom, and it looks like it's going to fit. So let's go ahead and try to do this together. It says it's as seen on TV. All right, so let me open it. Okay, that took me a while to open, so hopefully installation's much easier. All right, so first step is remove current and drain cover and place a shower shroom onto the drain opening. Hair wraps, hair's in one place. Okay, so that's it, guys. It's installed. Then if I want to take the middle out, the hair should be wrapped right around here. And that's it. It looks super easy, super convenient. I will report back how it is. And also, just so you know, it's flush right up against the shower, just like the other one was. So super easy, guys. This hopefully will save you a lot of money. And if you didn't know, you can remove that on your own. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch y'all next time. Bye.